Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and I got some fun boxes in from a company called Joy, and they make iron-on letters. So I'm going to pop these guys open real fast, and let's take a look at all the amazing things that are in here. Holy crap, right? This company is based out of Puerto Rico, which is so cool. They were, after the hurricane that came through, they've been a little bit down, but they're getting back up and running, and there is some really cool stuff in here. I'm going to show you this first. This looks so cool. All right, I'm just kind of pushing some of the things off to the side. These are some floral appliques. These are all iron-on appliques. So it's very, very simple. There has been a ton of videos that I've done already about how easy this is to apply, but just take a look at some of these floral pieces. Are they gorgeous? I mean, look at this one. You can apply them to all kinds of fun stuff. Look at that. They're showing you putting them on jeans and things, but just take a look at those roses. This one actually has two pieces in there. I believe they are separate. Let's open it up and take a look. Yeah, there's two pieces. I just wanted to double check. So cool. Oh, look at this pretty one. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at those. I love it. Okay, some more flowers, roses. Oh, look at this one. That's so pretty. There's so many gorgeous designs here, and they just keep going. You can get a lot of these. There's online. I will have links down below to all the items I can find. These flowers, I'm kind of repeating a few now, so look at that. Some of these are being repeated. Some of these are, like I said, you can find them online. I'm in love with that one. Oh, that's so pretty too. But you can also find them at your big box stores. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann, things like that. Any of the iron-on letters that you see in the stores are probably already this company. They've been around for years. And this is some of their new line that has come out with these flowers. Look how gorgeous those are. They're so pretty. And the instructions about how to do them it's so super simple. You get an iron. You make sure you're on iron safe. I just do it here on my craft mat, actually. You set it to the cotton setting. You hold the iron on it on the front side for 30 seconds. You flip it over, do it on the back side for 30 seconds. And look, they're putting it on a clutch. It is so stinking so pretty, and they're so gorgeous. So that is the new floral line that has come out. I'm going to move that off to the side, and I'm going to show you some of the other ones. These are cool. So this is a set that is an embroidery scenario. So you get three letters. So you get a right, a center, and an end. So therefore you can, I'm going to kind of open these up for you guys. I've only ever gotten my initials before, but my personal initials, but I would have loved to have them for my kid. So here is the right letter piece, but there is also the center. So here's the center that you can get. So piece, let's say you have your last name is E, your middle name is a P, and then you also have the first letter. So it creates a cool circle, and it's already kind of predestined for you. So here is an A. Therefore, you can place them, as you can see here, like the CBE, and they're all in white. And the cool thing is that these are dyeable. So you can take any kind of dye. I've used mists, I've used watered down paint, and you can color them to whatever you want. They're so cool, and they're not super expensive, as you can see from the price on the back, which I absolutely love that. So you can pick up a set and you can personalize whatever you like with this set of these three letters from Joy. So that was another fun one. And he gave me the company, I got the entire alphabet. So he's given me a whole bunch of letters. So I got a whole bunch of P's in the middle. So if I don't have a letter that works for me, I can definitely custom this for people, for other people as well, which is fantastic. I bet you I'm going to run out of R's though, because our last name is R. So the Reeds, that's going to be the hard one. So I got a ton of those. Woohoo! All right, and then I have the alphabets, which I love these. I've used these ones on a lot of different projects. Here's another one of the dyables. These ones are great. They're just large alphabets, and you get a few of the different ones. You tend to use a lot of what's in your family. At least for me personally, I tend to use a lot of the same letters. So I love the fact that there's different colors, or you can dye them. There's black, there's a blue, they're nice big ones. I've used these for a lot of stuff in projects recently. There's the gold, the pink, my daughter loves the pink, the lime green, that is so fun, the neon orange, There's also some tiny letters. They're a little bit smaller block letters. You can put this on all kinds of stuff. They have it in black. These are classic monograms, and also in white. And then you get the hashtag and the and, which is cool. So I got a couple of those. I also got some. These are the baby monograms. These are pretty. This one is in a white, and you notice the script is a little bit different. It's not this big block lettering. We've got more of a script going. So they call this a baby monogram. So I've got it in white and in pink and in blue. So that is really pretty. But, and oh, it says baby monogram, but I use it for all kinds of stuff. And there's numbers and letters on this with the hashes. So you could put somebody's birth date on here with the hashes, you put an anniversary date. There's really a lot you can do with that. Another beautiful set, and I love to use these ones too. This is a gold and a silver iron-on embroidery. These are so pretty. They have this metallic look to them, and they're really fine, and just that they have a beautiful script color into them, or a design to them, and I love these ones too. This is another fun one. So this is a different alphabet than the first batch that we got. So even though, as you can see, the alphabet design is a little bit different. So you might like the neon, but you don't want it in the block letter. You want it in more of a curvaceous letter, and that is what this is. And this one has come in, I can see it, I've got green, pink, and blue. And they're all those big bright colors, which are so fun. Here is some more big block letterings. This is another pre-cut already. Again, a different shape for the alpha in blue, in pink, in black, and in white. And the white ones, again, are dyeable. That's the cool thing about the white ones, is you can custom them to be any color you want, which is super fabulous. So they also sell them in individual, and instead of me getting them in a package, I actually got them as loose pieces. So I got them in white, and this is again the dyeable. So I got it. You can buy individual letters at any of the big box stores. And so here I pulled out the and symbol, and it has the instructions. It actually comes as a little tiny package that's about this big. So instead of him sending me a whole bunch that were packaged, or she, the company. So here's the heart. It's really super easy. Again, dyeable and iron on. So stinking easy. I love that. So you can have so much fun. And then there's one letter of every of the alphabets. The alphabets do have a bit of a script. Let me open that up for you so you can see one of them. So this is the E. So here you can see with the, oh, this is a 3, sorry, this is a number. So you can also get numbers as well. I was looking at it upside down. But hey, you could take one and you could turn it up to be an E. That's the cool thing about some of the letters and numbers is you can, if you don't have too many of one kind, you can fudge it and use it a different way. So I believe these are all, yeah, these are all numbers. And just to show you a letter, let's pop open a letter. And as you saw, there's hashtags, there's exclamation points, there's ands, there's hearts. And there are letters. So here is the letter U. Very pretty, right? Or that could be an N. I think that could go either way. I'd have to open it up and check them all. And then I got the exact same package in black. So I have all the exact same letters. So you could get these letters in white. And remember, they are dyeable, so you can make them whatever you like. Or you could buy them in black. You can also buy your letters individually. And I call these like varsity letters because they're nice and big, and they come in a few colors. You can get them in red, in blue, in black, or in white, and there's 2 different sizes. There's the large scale size and there's the bottom scale size, and so you can get them a couple of different ways, and they come in every letter of the alphabet and also in all of the numbers in both sizes as well. And these are bought individually, so you don't have to buy an entire pack. You just buy exactly the letters that you need and iron them on. They work for a lot of different projects that you can make. So they're just these cool big block varsity, what I call varsity letters, because they remind me of what you would get on letter jackets, which is kind of cool. So many amazing products from Joy. All of these are iron on. You just need a simple iron, and they work on any kind of fabric, felt. It's pretty much, the ideas are endless about what you could iron on. As long as it's some sort of a fabric-y type material, it will stick to it because they already have the stickiness and the iron ability for it to glue, and this stuff holds fantastic. I have ironed these on and they are amazing. So check them out. They're at your big box stores. Links will be down below for all the different appliques, and I love the new floral design. So thank you much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.